Good morning, CMS. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Please stand for the pledge. Please stand for the pledge, and there we are. Perfect. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu for Wednesday. Choice A, Doritos Extreme Walking Taco, refried beans, cold vegetable medley, peaches, and fresh fruit. Choice B, grilled chicken salad with muffin. We move on to Thursday's menu. Now, Thursday's menu is French toast with sausage, hash brown, hot cinnamon apples, carrot sticks, mixed fruit, or fresh fruit. Choice B, cheesy bread with marinara. Breakfast. For breakfast on Thursday is the Benefit Bar and applesauce with milk. Now, CMS is holding a virtual book fair that starts today. It starts today. The virtual book fair starts today. You can find out more information on the CMS web announcements or Mr. Madigan's blog. Now, Emerald Key is launching a canned food drive running through Friday the 13th. This is an awesome way for us to reach out and help our community members who may be struggling right now. The class with the most canned food goods or non-perishable goods, those donations will be tallied up, and the winner gets a prize. And this all goes to the home base. So home base is you're competing against the other home base. Good luck. Enjoy this video from the Lodi Community Center. All right, congratulations to our 7th grade Students of the Month. There's a couple videos for the 7th grade Students of the Month. Enjoy.
The Green Arrows team has chosen Russell Hinderman for our Student of the Month. We chose Russell because Russell has continually gone above and beyond. Russell has constant willingness to participate in every subject area. In addition, Russell blew us all away and composed a magnificent piano arrangement to commemorate 9/11. Congrats, Russell.
The Colt Company would like to nominate Raiden for the Employee of the Month. Raiden has been a great example for other students in the program. He is actively participating in all the activities and engages other students in their learning. Raiden has worked hard at the program of caring and sharing for the plants and brings joy to all the staff members around the building when he delivers the new plants each week. All the teachers here are really proud of Raiden. Keep up the great work.
Presenting your Clover Squad Student of the Month. Just kidding, you have to figure it out. He learns in room 104, and he sits in his desk. Do you have any ideas who he is? His Clover Squad teachers say that he is always organized, always turning his work in on time, and always being an active participant in class. So who is the Clover Squad Student of the Month? Congrats to David for being the Clover Squad Student of the Month. Your Clover Squad teachers are looking forward to celebrating the whole month with you. Great job, David.
Now we are moving on to November 4th to the 10th is National French Week. To celebrate and bring awareness to the many cool things about the French language and culture, we will share 5 facts this and next week. So this week and next week. With that being said, we move on to the next slide, which says, did you know that our language includes thousands of French words? People who have never studied French already know about 15,000 French words. It's pretty incredible. How about words like bouquet, omelette, cliché, cul-de-sac, laissez-faire, and
Rendezvous.
rendezvous, that's right. I always pronounce that one wrong. It always confuses me. Rendezvous. Thank you, Mr. Wachtel. You already know some French. Just by knowing these words, you already know some French. Pretty cool. We move on to the bulletin board. November 6th is, of course, the end of the first quarter. Then November 9th is the start of the second quarter. November 11th, Picture Retake Day. Mark that one on your calendar if you had a bad picture. November 25th to the 27th is Turkey Day, Thanksgiving break. Now we move on to the quote of the day. Now the quote of the day is, a different language is a different vision of life. Show your Colt pride, everyone. Be responsible, be respectful, and of course, be safe. All right, with that being said, have a wonderful Wednesday. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.
Participate in every subject area. In addition, Russell blew us all away and composed a magnificent piano arrangement to commemorate 9/11. Congrats, Russell.